beautiful friends, my name is Anna. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled shrimp. I'm calling this my grilled shrimp recipe because it's my go-to recipe when it comes to grilling shrimp, but this is just like my go-to shrimp recipe. I do have other shrimp recipes, but I always tend to come back to this one because it's so good and everyone in my family just adores it. It's kind of like herby, citrusy. It's just delicious. So let me show you the ingredients you're going to need so we can go ahead and get started. First off, you're going to need your shrimp. I personally like to use, when it comes to grilling shrimp, I like to use a skin-on shrimp just because it doesn't stick to the grill as much. I do like to buy mine deveined, so tail on, skin on, but make sure they are deveined. If they're not deveined, make sure you devein them before you continue with the recipe. You're going to need a little bit of dried oregano, a little bit of ground cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper doesn't make it too spicy, but it does add a little bit of a kick. You can hardly notice it, but it's there and it is amazing. Red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, juice and zest of a lemon, some garlic, extra virgin olive oil, some parsley and basil. If you don't have fresh herbs, which I obviously recommend, tastes so much better, you can use dried for everything. And the written recipe with all the measurements and all the instructions you're going to find on my website, anitas.recipes.com. I always leave a link to it in the description box for you. I'm going to work on chopping and mincing my garlic. I have my little glass container. This is where I'm gonna marinate the shrimp just for like 5 minutes while I get everything else ready to go. So I'm just gonna give this a good choppity chop. I'm going to mince my garlic. You can also grate it if you want. We're going to zest some lemon. Make sure you wash your lemon before. I'm only gonna do about a quarter of this lemon because I'm using just a little over half a pound of shrimp. Obviously, if you make the whole recipe, you're gonna need about half a lemon zested. And I'm going to do some lemon juice as well. I love the acidity from the lemon juice and the red wine vinegar, so I'm gonna add that right in. We are going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, about that much. We add in our dry spices, some pepper, as much as you like. Obviously, we add in our shrimp. We give everything a good toss, okay, and we season it with a little bit of salt. Okay, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna let this marinate just for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead, clean up, get my side dishes ready. My shrimp has been marinating. Look how yummy this looks, so good. So I have my little skewers, and I think I'm gonna put like 4 little shrimpies into each skewer. You don't want to marinate it too long because there is orange lemon juice in here, so you don't want to obviously cook your shrimp. I'm gonna do about 4 shrimpies on each skewer. Okay, last one. Look how yummy. To add a little bit more marinade before it goes on the grill, so you want to put it marinated side down. Now I also like to add a lemon wedge just so it cooks along with the shrimp. I like to marinate the top with a little bit more the beautiful marinade. You want to flip the shrimp and cook it for about 2 minutes on each side, or just until it cooks through. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the size of the shrimp. Look how beautiful and pink. Look at the beautiful lemon. It's so juicy and sweet at this point and has so much flavor. You want to remove your shrimp from the grill, and there you go. My shrimpies are done. They look so delicious. I did a voiceover because there was literally no point in talking outside because it was so loud. Such an easy recipe. Look at the color. Like to drizzle a little bit of the lemon juice all over. Look how juicy and delicious these look. I am gonna try one. My rice is not done, so I won't show you the whole plate, but perfect summer dinner. You do a little bit of shrimp, maybe do a little bit of corn, which is right in season. We're finding corn at a great price at the store. A little bit, I did some brown rice. You can do a little side salad, and you have yourself an amazingly delicious dinner or lunch, whatever you want. And it's so light, so refreshing, so good. Let me peel the skin because obviously we're not gonna eat that. So delicious and so juicy. It's extremely flavorful. They are as delicious as they look. Hope you guys enjoyed this amazing recipe. I am gonna go enjoy some dinner. Remember, the written recipe is on my website, anitasrecipes.com. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.